Abhi Trehan and welcome to my channel Social Cravings. Now today's video is about storing and drinking water from copper based utensils. So for water we have placed glass bottles in the kitchen and in the fridge, and they look something like this. Now these bottles are very easily available on Amazon. And now for my personal use to keep on my bedside, I have started using a copper bottle, and it comes with these two glasses. So these are from a brand called Pelican Crafts. I'll put their link down in the description box below. Now firstly, talking about water. Water is such an essential and important component of our body. Almost 60 to 70% of our body is made out of water. And you will always see your doctor, your trainer, your nutritionist, they're always telling us to have as much water as possible and at least minimum 2 liters of water a day. And now coming to copper. Copper was one of the first ever elements ever known to mankind. Now our ancestors used to store water in containers made of copper. And in Ayurveda, it is said that if you have water from a copper bottle or a copper glass first thing in the morning, empty stomach, it helps to balance the 3 doshas in our body, which are Kapha, Vata and Pitta. And in ancient times, people used to throw copper coins in ponds, lakes, wells and rivers just to purify that water so that it would be safe to drink by fish and other living beings in the water, and for animals and humans who would consume water from those rivers. Even like in Hindu temples, every time you enter a Hindu temple, you will always see water stored in a copper vessel, or when they serve water to you, it will always be from a copper spoon or a glass. And why is that so? Because they say that copper helps to purify that water. Now in some other temples you may see them even using silver or gold, but because silver and gold are more expensive elements, therefore you might see them only in the bigger temples. Otherwise, in other temples you'll always see them using copper to serve water. Now in many of the temples you will also see that the god's idol is actually placed on a copper plate, because copper is supposed to attract the magnetic waves of the earth. So when you're actually moving around the god's idol, they say that that's how you derive those positive vibes and energy. Now copper is known to have several health benefits. Copper is known to have antimicrobial, anti-carcinogenic, antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. Now copper creates a natural purification process. It kills the algae, the fungi, the bacteria, the microorganisms that are present in the water and might be harmful for your body. In fact, studies have shown that when the contaminated water that has been put in copper vessels, after a few hours, that water is not contaminated at all. Now, copper is an essential trace mineral which is very important for our health and should be part of our food and the water that we consume, as it helps to get rid of and neutralize toxins. Now the best way to reap the benefit of a copper bottle is to actually leave the water overnight in the utensil and consume it first thing in the morning, empty stomach, and that water will never go stale. So what actually happens is that copper releases some of its ions, and this entire process is called oligodynamic effect. I hope I've pronounced it correctly, but then that's the effect it produces. Let me quickly share some of the benefits of having water from copper utensils. Firstly, it improves digestive health. Now its main property is that it helps to kill harmful bacteria and reduces inflammation, which is exactly what even I need. It also apparently helps with ulcers, indigestion, diarrhea and other infections. It also helps to regulate the working of the liver and the kidneys, and it also helps in cleaning and detoxifying the stomach and help to absorb the nutrients from the food, which is again exactly what I need. Copper also helps in reducing weight. So what happens as a process is that it actually burns the body fat, which eliminates the unhealthy fat, which helps in resulting in weight loss, and the productive fat, which is the good fat, is actually turned into energy. It also helps in strengthening the immune system. Now, copper has a property of regenerating white blood cells, and these cells actually help in fighting agents, harmful agents that are not good for your body. Now, copper also helps with anemia. Now, copper actually helps with the level of ions, and it also helps to regulate the flow of iron in your blood vessels. Now, for someone like me who loses a lot of blood during my period because of endometriosis, I have iron deficiency. So I really hope that this small step that I'm taking makes a difference and keeps my iron levels in check and keeps my anemia at bay. Now, copper also helps to improve skin health. Now, copper is vital for melanin production, and melanin is very important to reduce hyperpigmentation. Copper aids in regeneration of new cells, which basically helps in replenishing the top layer of your skin. So this helps in making your skin absolutely clean, fresh, and heals damaged skin, takes care of your scars, and basically you have an absolutely clean and blemish-free skin. So copper also helps in preventing getting white patches. It helps in premature graying of hair with freckles and sunburns. Copper also apparently helps in lowering the risk of cardiovascular problems, and that happens as it helps in regulating heart rate, your cholesterol levels, and blood pressure. Now, copper is also known to prevent cancer as it helps in fighting cancer-causing agents. Copper is also known to improve the work of thyroid glands. So as you can see, there are so many health benefits of having water from copper vessels. Now, I really hope that you enjoyed watching this video and you found this video useful and informative. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe, and wait for my next video to come out. Until then, lots of love.